This will be a video guide to the Vivitar Aero DRC-446 drone. Alright, first thing we want to do is to calibrate the drone and the remote and get them to talk to each other. So they're saying to calibrate the drone with the remote, you push forward and back on the left control stick. Let me turn the power on. Power on to the drone. Power in at the remote. So left control stick, forward, back, and now they are synchronized and communicating. Alright, next step is to calibrate the drone's gyroscope. So what we're going to do is come over here to the controller, bring both joysticks down and to the left, and you'll see that the lights start flashing. They'll light up and lock, and then the gyroscope is calibrated. Alright, next step is the aircraft compass calibration. So what we're going to do is start out with the remote. Up here on the top right is a calibration button. So you'll hit that, and you're going to see the lights on the drone flashing. So what you're going to do is you will pick the drone up and spin the drone approximately 3 times until the lights lock on the front of the drone. Next, you will actually flip the drone up like this and rotate the drone until the blue lights turn green. Now your compass calibration is complete. Okay, the next step is going to be going into your Wi-Fi settings of your phone. Select your Vivitar Sky Eye, which is the setting here. It will connect to that network. And the last step is to download, install, and launch the Vivitar app. It'll bring you to the screen here. Click on Start. This will give you the ability to utilize the camera from your cell phone and record and take photos, as well as do other features like you can actually fly the drone from this screen.